Gym tips for the beginners. You have been thinking about it for quite some time now. You know you need to get to the gym and start working out. You know you have got yourself out of shape and an hour or so in the shower would not hurt. You have taken the gym membership and now you are ready to go and get in shape. Before you start gym, there are a few things you should keep in mind to make your time in the gym productive, enjoyable and most of all, injury-free. For more health tips and great videos, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification for our latest videos. 1. Stretch your muscles. Always start with stretching exercises, such as toe touches, twisting at waist and arm stretching. This prepare your muscles in mind that you are getting into some physical work. 2. Warm up. This is especially important to not only get your blood flowing but to minimize the risk of injury. Some good warm-up methods include walking on the treadmill for 10 to 15 minutes. 3. Start out easy. Select an amount of weight at first that seems almost too light but still provides some resistance for each exercise. Remember that proper form, posture, and technique are far more important than how much exercise you are doing. 4. Slow cardio in the beginning. When you first get on the treadmill, stationary bike, stair climber or elliptical machine, remember that your heart probably not in the right shape for all the pressure at once. For this reason, you should take it at a slower pace for a while. Each week, pick up the pace and the length of time spent on these machines a little at a time. This will give your heart time to build up to faster paces and longer periods. 5. Keep an exercising log. One of the best ways to monitor your workouts as well as your progress is to write out your exercise program. Stick to it and write in the weights you use for each exercise. When you are ready to increase the weight on any exercise, write it in. In this way you can keep track of the progress you are making. When you see that you are making good progress as you go, you will become more motivated to stick with it. 6. Cool down. After you have completed your workout, take 10 minutes at a slow pace on the treadmill. This will let your body cool down a little slower and it is easier on your heart. Now that you know a few things that will help to make your gym experience much better, you are ready to go and start working on getting the body of your dreams, the right way. To get more information about losing weight and gym workouts from our experts, please, click the link provided in the description. If you like our videos, click the like button, and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon to receive our latest videos on weight loss and health.